In this video we are going to be analysing CCL, so to get straight into it, firstly we did sell off on Friday over 23%, so a big sell off. We have currently pulled back to a 52-week low, and we have just come into our first deviation, or sorry, our statistical mean on the 6-month chart. So seeing this will be a key support, and this will be a key one to note, because if we open Monday or really just next week, and we start breaking below this $7, this could be some concern, because if we break below it, come back to retest it and fail, then more than likely we are going to sell off quite hard on this stock. I mean, our closest deviation is around $2 to $3 on both the 6-month and the 1 year. Obviously very far from where we are now, so probably not all that likely that will push all that way, but we would definitely be paying attention to probably the $5. I mean, all the key psychological levels, so $6, $5, $4, $3 are all going to be key, but $5 I think could definitely be a pullback that we could see happen if markets continue weak and we see cruise stocks continue down, and for any reason, if CCL has reasons or news to push it down on more of a fundamental reason, I think $5 would be that level where we could continue to push down to, and then could start seeing some strong buying pressure coming into this level. So these would be really the key supports that we're paying attention to. On the other hand, if you're paying attention to the resistance, what are we paying attention to? And as of right now, our closest resistance is around $11.50. We can see this level has been attempted multiple times in the recent past, so this would definitely be a hard level to break, but if we do, then we could actually start seeing some movement to the upside. We would be looking at around $13.50, $16.50, and then final levels really taking us to around $19.21. Obviously we do have levels going further, but really as our overall market is weak, if we go into a recession, which is looking more and more likely, I mean, some will even say we're in it now, disposable income will be going down. Things like CCL, earnings are definitely going to drop, and obviously stocks are forward looking, so if earnings are going to be weaker, this stock is going to be weaker, so more than likely we will continue down, and $5 I think will be that key level we're looking at. But if we're any extreme, $3 is definitely where I would be looking, definitely to get some size on both my trading account and the investment account if we get down to $3. But again, I'm not saying it is going to get there, because that is a very harsh sell-off. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not check out one of these two analysis videos.